am Homeworks by Precept consultant Carabeht. I have been homeschooling my 3 children and have been using BJU Press homeschool materials since 2016. Today, I'm going to show you the contents of the 4th edition Physics Logos Science Lab Kit. This kit can be purchased separately to aid your child in completion of experiments and activities for the 4th edition physics course. Let's take a look inside.
When you order the Physics 4th edition Logos Science Lab Kit, it will come with all contents inside one box. When you first open the box, you'll find the addendum. Inside, you will find how to use the addendum, the table of contents, the supplies that are included, and the supplies that need to be provided by you for completion of experiments. It will also give brief instructions for each lab with some images and fill-ins to aid in further instruction and completion of the experiments. Now let's take a look inside the kit. Here we have a CD, a refractional semicircular dish, a foam cover, 2 different sized foam cups, 2 badminton birdies, Velcro tape, a tennis ball, a syringe with cap, a compass, small plastic tube, glass rod and straws, a graduated cylinder, fishing line, marker, laser pointer, pipette and thermometer, 2 wood blocks, wheels and axles, magnetic tape strips, slotted mass set, a solar cell, 4-color LED bulbs, a level, and a beaker, a knife switch and DC motor, alligator clip cords, goggles, D-cell and 9-volt battery and battery holder, diffraction grating, mirror and lens holders, lens and mirrors, 6-volt battery, magnetic bar, rubber stoppers, tape measure, toothpicks, large compass, dice and wood spool, cord, digital scale, masking tape, 2 dynamic carts and spring bumpers, coated wire, copper bar, map pins and rheostat, aluminum bar, rubber bands, PE rod and steel bolt, balloons and a car, a clamp, a tuning fork, a golf ball, 2 500-gram spring scales, 2 digital multimeters, a ruler and protractor, resistors, silk cloth, and wool cloth. The non-consumable materials in this kit can be passed down to younger children, and a refill lab kit may be purchased.
I hope you enjoyed this look inside of the Physics 4th edition Logos Science Lab Kit. If you have any questions about this kit or BJU Press homeschool materials, please feel free to reach out. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Homeworks by Precept YouTube channel to see more look insides like this one.